Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss dual axis chart in Tableau and their use case. Before starting this video, if you have not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for upcoming and interesting video. So without any further delay, let's get started. So what is dual axis chart? Dual axis chart is also called combination chart. So dual axis chart allows you have two measures with different scales in order to compare these measures and find their relationship. Okay, we can use only two chart for dual axis, and one thing you should remember is to synchronize their axis to make a scaled and correct comparison. So let's see how we can create dual axis chart in Tableau. I'm using sample Superstore dataset for this video. I will provide the link in the description box to download this dataset. So let's create dual axis chart. Let's drag order date and let's drag profit and sales. Okay, so there are two ways to create dual axis chart. First one is right click on the second measure, go to dual axis, and now you can see dual axis chart is created. Okay, and the second one is drag the sales to this black dotted line and drop it here. So now you can see dual axis chart is created. Okay, so now we can see profit is blue line and sales is orange line. Okay, now we are getting line. If we want to change their mark type to bar, circle or others, so you can do it. So there are three ways to do it. First one is you can go to marks and change its type. Okay, and second one is you can go to field, right click on it, and you can change mark type to other type. Okay, and third one is you can right click on the axis and mark type and change it to other. Okay, so this is how you can create dual axis. So let's discuss some of its use case. So our first use case is create bar chart with circle, or you can say lollipop chart. So let's see how we can create lollipop chart in Tableau. For this, let's drag subcategory and sales, and let's create a duplicate sales copy, hold it and drag it here. Okay, and now make it to dual axis. Okay, so first, for first instance of sales, we will make a bar chart, and for second we will keep as circle. Okay, now let's adjust the size of this. So I'm increasing the size of circle and decreasing the size of bar to make it more interactive. Okay, now it looks good. Let's add some color. I'm adding black color for bar and orange color for circle. Okay, now it's look better. So this is how you can create lollipop chart by using dual axis. Okay, let's move to our next use case, that is quantity versus discount comparison. Okay, let's rename the sheet use case 1, use case 2. Let's do the comparison for discount and quantity. For this, let's drag subcategory and drag discount, and let's drag quantity as well. Okay, and create a dual axis chart. Now let's convert our discount into bar and convert our quantity into line. Okay, so this is how you can analyze your both discount and profit into single chart by creating a dual axis chart. Okay, let's move to our third use case, that is dual axis map chart. Okay, that is use case 3. So let's create our map. So for this I'm using state, and now let's change it to map. Now we have created a map, and now let's drag profit into color so that we can get color based on profit for each state. Let's change the color to blue teal and click on OK. So from here we can easily measure. So this state has maximum profit, and second one is New York, and so based on this you can easily analyze. Okay, now let's hold the latitude and drag it here and create a duplicate of it. Okay, in the second, let's find out the data based on cities. Okay, so let's combine this chart and make a dual chart. So you can see, so we have created a dual chart with map. So from there you can easily measure. So California has maximum profit, and under this there are many cities which have. So from there you can easily analyze from under California how many cities is giving how much profit. Okay, so this is how you can create dual axis map chart. Now let's move to our last use case, that is dual axis area chart with line. Use case number 4. For this, let's drag our order date and convert it into continuous year. And for this, let's drag our profit and make it to area chart. Okay. And for this, let's drag segment into color as well. Okay. So if we want to add a border line to this area chart, so for this, we can use our dual axis chart. And for this, let's create a copy of profit and make it to line chart. We don't want segment here, so let's remove it and make it to dark black. And now do dual axis. Okay, so now you can see a line is added at the area chart. Okay, so this is how you can use dual axis to make your chart or dashboard more interactive. Thank you so much guys. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for upcoming videos.